today's video is going to be very simple. It's on the ML, you know, series SUV. We're going to be removing these taillights and taking and putting them in my ML series because I bought a parts ML, so lots of videos to come. The first thing we're going to need to remove these taillights is a one-way. Some people call it a pry bar, a chisel. Well, this ain't a Phillips. What do they call this? A single? I don't know. Comment below what this is actually called. So as I said before, it's very simple. You just take this, put this in here and twist these. Okay. But you can see my one way isn't going to work because it's a bigger size. So let's go to a handy dandy toolbox set and find a size that fits. Okay, that looks like it's a 7/16. Is it? It is not a 7/16. It's probably metric. So let's try a 10. Come here, little 10. Oops, it's trying to get away. It's a 10mm for you. Okay, we take this. Yep, and we just twist. So as I said before, no comment. As I said before, all you do is just screw out this screw here, just like so. Uh-oh, that one's stuck. And then directly down here should have been a screw. It's not. It's missing. Then you can pull straight out on this tail light. Straight this way, you know. Just like so. And you just unplug it. Back here, that's a little tab. That's a little tab. And you unplug this. And this ain't snapped in. Let's see what we got going on here. Well, I'm going to have to use both hands to unplug this. So, to change bulbs in the ML, since I got this out to show you, all you do is mash these two tabs in here. Just like so. And this comes out. These boards goes bad a lot of times. And you have to change these bulbs. The whole switchboard, when the bulbs keep going bad, all these bulbs looks brand new. So pop these in here, just like so. Now it's time to undo mine. Now this is an 02 we are taking parts off of, and this is a 2000 model ML, so it might be a little bit of differences, but I'm not expecting like you not going to be able to use any of this. And I have been having taillight issues with my ML, and it's all because of that board right there. So maybe this parts ML can fix my daily ML. That's what I'm hoping for. Now let's pull straight out as before. Everything looks the same, all but this little side plug here is different. I guess it will reflect a light or something. You notice mine don't have that. That should not affect it at all. It should not. So let's just pop this out. And as I said before, I'll show you if I can get mine out. So I just popped the plug out of that. It's easier I got to on these. You can see where I put some dielectric grease in there, keeps moisture out. But these, if I can get this on out, there we go. Can you see the difference in this board? Behind the bulbs, it's all corroded with moisture over time. So hopefully this is a good upgrade. Hopefully this works. So let me plug it in. I would expect this to be the same. I'll bet a little bit different design because this is a 2000 model. This is an 03 model, I think. So 02 model. And they are factory, so maybe they fixed the issue that these old boards had, these new boards. I'm going to check the bulbs, make sure they work, and you can get a helper to do that for you. Hit the brake lights, please. You might have turned the key on.
Yeah, it's in the seat. I don't have to find it.
Okay, brake lights, turn signal. Oh, this turn signal don't work. Try the other turn signal. That turn signal don't work neither. Okay, so I need to fix the turn signals. Turn your headlights on. Oh, that's turn signal. Headlights on. Okay, headlight, brake light. Okay, the other one must be a reverse light, and it looks good. So I'm going to call this. Is the middle one reverse? It is. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and install these, and these will install the same way they came out. So I did notice I got a little crack here. That's different between the 2000 and so one light. So this is sunk in. This is bubbled out on this one. You can see this is completely broke out. So me changing these is a great upgrade, even though I do have a little crack here. You can see this is sunk in. So that's one of the differences. That little light that was here located, I think. Ain't too bad. That saves me money. And at the end of the day, it's all about saving money. Well, what do you think about the taillights? Let me stand back. That's a good thumbnail too, and the Trans Am coming. Shane made it. Hey Shane! We straight piped that if you ain't seen the video. Well, technically muffler delete. Yeah, so we're going back to the ML now, get some more videos. We're going to put wheel spacers on that car. That'll be a video. So making your content today, you should be happy. Should be liking, leaving comments. Check the eBay store out. That one good tail light off this ML, you know, it'll come with a spare box that goes in it. You know, it's going on the eBay store. Description below if you need an ML and it ain't sold tail light.